Hi, good morning. I'm Ian McDermott from the Friends of Brunswick Park. We're here today as part of National Tree Week and we're doing some tree planting to add to the collection in the Arboretum. And as you can see from the previous videos, I'm sure you've seen some of the trees. We've got the staff here from Sandwell Council and grateful thanks to them for helping us. We can't do it without them. But absolutely, definitely thanks to South Staffs for the PEBBLE fund who have paid for all of this today, which is the second time we've had a National Tree Week planting scheme with you. The trees we're planting today are a wide range. No other trees like them within this park and probably not within the whole of the borough. We tend to go for quite unusual trees because of our Arboretum status. So the tree behind us they're doing now is a yellow birch. It's native to North America and it's quite unusual. Within its own native range, it's a red data species. So we're trying to grow as many as we can as part of the Arboretum network in order that the species doesn't become endangered worldwide. So that's one of the other ambitions of the park, is to make sure that we have unusual trees that tend to be rare in their own native environment. So we have a few red data species. We have a large monkey puzzle by the bandstand where we're working today, and that is also endangered in its own native area, which is Chile. Today we've got a little bit extra because we've got somebody left over to buy some trees, and we've also got a back box thing going on with the school children today. So one of the local schools, Old Park School, are joining us later on. We've got 20 kids today and another 40 tomorrow, and we'll be building the back boxes ourselves and then placing them out into some of the mature trees around the park. And the idea is to enhance the wildlife habitat with there's very few nesting boxes. In fact, there are no nesting boxes now left in the park. So we're adding 30 nesting boxes to the site over the next 2 days. And again, grateful that this is something we've been able to do as part of National Tree Week.